Hello, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, October 4th. We are saddened to announce our 12th fatality from COVID-19 on this island. The victim was a male visitor in his 50s. Our deepest condolences go out to his family and friends from all of us here on Kauai. Our daily case counts continue to show a modest decline. Mahalo to everyone getting vaccinated, avoiding gatherings, wearing masks, and staying home when sick. We're beginning to slow the curve. We're excited to welcome Gary Hudson back from retirement to be our COVID-19 incident commander. Mr. Hudson, take it away.
Thanks, Mayor. Governor Ige released a new emergency order on Friday, eliminating the tier system and maintaining the gathering size limits of 25 outdoors and 10 indoors. Masks continued to be required indoors. Violators are subject to a $250 fine, and organizers and business owners are subject to a $500 fine. Over the past week, KPD cited one business and one large gathering at a private residence for violating the statewide safety rules. To report a violation, please call KPD. Professionally organized events, over 50 people must submit their safety plans to the Kauai Emergency Management Agency in advance. For details, visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. For the latest on our cases, we turn to Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest.
Thank you, Gary. We are so excited to have you back. Our average daily case counts are continuing a modest decline, which is encouraging. Our test positivity rate is at 3.5%, down from over 5% 2 weeks ago. We are monitoring the following active clusters: 4 restaurants and 4 other occupational settings, 2 places of worship, 2 educational settings, 1 construction setting, 1 social gathering, and 1 cluster related to travel, lodging, and tourism. Many of the occupational clusters are caused by a single employee who goes to work while sick and infects many other coworkers. Please do not go to work if you are experiencing any symptoms. If you are an employer or manager, do not allow sick workers to remain at work. They should be sent home immediately and strongly encouraged to be tested for COVID-19. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 11 new cases, all residents, including 1 child. 1 case is related to inter-island travel, and the other 10 are considered community acquired. Contact tracers have been unable to get information from 2 of today's cases, hurting our ability to stop the spread of this disease. Over the weekend, from Friday through Sunday, we reported a total of 50 cases. 11 of them are children. The cases include 7 visitors and 43 residents. 15 of the cases are related to travel, and the rest are considered community acquired. We now have 109 active cases on island with 6 hospitalized. Active cases are directed to isolate, and close contacts are being identified, offered testing, and directed to quarantine. Investigations are ongoing. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we've had 2,407 total cases, with 12 fatalities. Recently, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention approved booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine for certain individuals, but not everyone. Booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine are now available for those ages 65 and older or adults with underlying health conditions, or who are at high risk for occupational or institutional exposure. If you are in one of these groups, boosters are available 6 months later after your second Pfizer dose. To accommodate the increase in demand, Wilcox Medical Center will open its vaccine clinic this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Walk-ins are welcome for first doses. Appointments are required for booster doses. To make an appointment, visit wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine. First and second doses of vaccine, as well as Pfizer boosters, will also be available at KVMH and Mahilona Hospital by walk-in only. The clinic at KVMH is open every Wednesday from 9 to 2, and at Mahilona every Thursday from 9 to 2. Pfizer boosters are also available at pharmacy locations like Long's, Safeway, Walmart, Costco, and Kaiser Permanente. For a full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Booster doses have only been approved for certain groups who have received the Pfizer vaccine. Recommendations for Moderna and Johnson & Johnson are expected in the weeks to come. Finally, I want to say thank you to our newly retired Assistant Fire Chief and Unified Commander, Saul Kanoho. This has been a difficult year and a half for everyone on this island, including all of us on the incident management team. I, for one, know that I wouldn't have been able to get through this response without your leadership, friendship, and most especially the humor and kindness you bring to everything you do. On behalf of the IMT, we miss you and love you. We hope you enjoy your well-deserved retirement and that you won't mind us all dropping by your lanai for a drink when we miss hearing your laugh. And welcome back, Gary Hudson. Thanks for coming back to lead the team.
Thanks, Lauren. If you haven't gotten your first dose yet, check out one of our mobile clinics in a neighborhood near you. The mobile hospital van will be in Kapa'a on Thursday, Koloa on Friday, and Hanalei on Saturday from noon to 3 each day. The team from Ho'olahui will be at Kekaha Neighborhood Center on Saturday from 9 to 11 a.m. All of these clinics are open to ages 12 and older, and no appointments are needed. You can also get a vaccine 7 days a week at pharmacies around the island. To see the options, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Free COVID testing sites is available around the island. Our mobile testing van will be in Kekaha this Wednesday, Kilauea on Thursday, Kalaheo on Friday from 9 to 1 each day. No appointments are needed. Results are provided the same day. The convention hall testing site in Lihue is open weekdays from 8 to 3:30. For a full list of testing options, please visit kauai.gov/COVID test. Please help us keep Kauai safe. Don't travel unless absolutely necessary. If you do go, get tested. Don't gather. If you do, stay outdoors. Wear a mask when around others. Stay home when sick, and get vaccinated if you can. Mahalo, Kauai.